Hello everyone, very good morning. Hope you are able to hear me as well as you are able
Good
to see
morning,
me.
sir.
Very good morning everyone. And very how many people we have? We have still 50% of them. We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start, okay? So hope you all celebrated Diwali very well. Everybody is able to hear me, right? I can see we have Hi Rishabh, Nagireddy, Ritesh, Pandya, Dyuti, Mani, Pritam, Rakesh, Siddharth, Daman. Very good morning. Then we have Manoj Reddy, Sajna Devi, Abhijit, Soumya, Lalita, Pratik. Paritosh joined now. Okay, people are joining. Loud and clear. Good, Ritesh. Today we are going to the most important topic. Today we are going to the most important topic of mathematics, which you could useful for everywhere in all the topic. In these 2 hours, we are going to learn concepts. We are going to learn speed maths of that, and we are going to solve many problems. Okay. Thank you, Lalita. Happy Diwali to you also. We are going to learn percentage and its application. It's very important topic. Believe me, if you don't master percentage, then your future topics and all other topics of mathematics will require a lot of effort. You have to master it. It's not only understand, master it. I can say it's the most important topic. Now, why I say most important topic? First is, first of all, for every exam, needed for every exam. Whether it's school exam, competitive exam, everywhere exam. Okay, that is must. Second thing is, even day-to-day life, you need percentage a lot. Third thing is, in fact, all of the topics use percentage. In fact, all areas like arithmetic anyway need percentage. Everybody knows that. But algebra also there are percentage questions. In geometry also percentage is used. In fact, somewhere in trigonometry, though it's a word problem, we can use there. Mensuration, modern maths, in fact, everywhere. And you know what? Percentage is too easy. Too easy. Too easy. But people are scared. I don't know. Many of my students I have seen this as a percentage difficult. I don't know why, but percentage is difficult. It is not at all difficult. It is not at all difficult. If you follow some simple concepts, believe me, only two concepts, one golden rule. Any level exam up to CAT level, I say, you can clear it. You can master it. Such a easy topic. Problem is people don't give enough weightage to the basics, which I first 15 minutes. If you master it, it's all good. So percentage very important. And also one more thing I want to tell you here is what are we going to do in percentage? We are going to learn in percentage three things: concept. We are going to learn concept. We are going to learn, you can say, speed maths of that because I'm going to use that in all our future topics and application. I'm going to give some practical questions as well as questions, important questions for exams. Okay. Most important type question. So let's start. What is percentage? Who will explain me on audio or on chat? Your audio is open. Anybody can unmute and answer. What is a percentage you really mean? And you can always take a screenshot and what do you mean by percent? Any one of you. Quickly. What do you mean by percent?
Sir, per mean divided by cent mean 100.
Percent is of means of two words. Per cent. You can say per 100. Out of 100. Percent. Cent means century, 100, right? Percent. Per 100, that's it. If you understand philosophy, percent. Per 100, that's all it talks about. For example, if I say 10% means 10 out of 100. If I say 20% means 20 out of 100. If I say 48% means 48 out of 100. Right? Percent. 10 out of 100, 20 out of 100, 48 out of 100. If I say 0.2%, it still means 0.2 out of 100. And believe me, even if I say half percent, it means half out of 100. Now, how you solve it differently? That's a percent. Percent. And believe me, what I'm telling you this now, this is the only thing which you should know. But still people do mistake. So that is the concept. Percentage means by 100, out of 100. So tell me now, if I say 400%, what would be its value when you simplify? Finally, right, everybody on chat, 400%. Pandya says 4, okay. What others says? Ritesh also says 4. Rishabh says 4. Paritosh, Rishabh Kumar, Gautam, okay. 4. Others, everyone should write quickly. What 400% means, Isha? Lalita says 400 by 100. Isha says 4. So 400% means obviously 400 out of 100. 0 cancel 4. But if I say 50,000%, then what you will say? 50,000% means what? Right, 50,000% also what's the big deal? 50,000 by 100, which is 500. Right? Yeah, Lalita, there was typo, I know. That's it. So it is percent. Or if I say half percent means what? Half percent means what? And that is where the confusion comes now, Duty. It is not 50%. Daman, it is not half. Nagi Reddy, it is not 50. Sanjana Devi, it is not 50 by 100. That's a problem. Abhijit. Half percent. See, you learned all of this, but still wrong. No, Isha. Isha, it is not 1.5. It is one. It is half. You said 1.5. No, Isha. Half percent means half out of 100. Correct, guys? See, concept doesn't change whether number, even if number change, concept should not change in math, right? Otherwise, what is the point? Half percent means half out of 100. Now you solve whichever way you want, 1 by 200. Right? 1 by 200. There is a doubt here. It simply says, yes, Soumya, you're right. Siddharth, you're right. Whereas 400% by 100, 50,000% by 100, half percent by 100. Are you crystal clear, guys? So, concept 1. Listen very good. Concept 1. Everybody write. If percentage needs to be converted, write in your notebook, into a number. The number can be integer, fraction, decimal, does not matter. Write down, because you might feel it easy. Many of you will forget when I ask you number questions, word problems. If percentage needs to be converted into a number, just, I'll write in capital, just divide, concept number 1, just divide by 100. Nothing else you have to do. Any percentage, whether percentage decimal, fraction or integers, you have to convert into actual number. Like 5%, 5 by 100. 7%, 7 by 100. Just divide by 100. Write down concept number 1. Okay? Now move to the second concept. Move to the second concept. I'll write examples here. Suppose if I say, and everybody will be very active on chat, okay, very active. Then only it become more, you can learn more, you can ask questions on chat or audio. If I say half, half means how much percentage? 50%. If I say 1/4, how much percent? 25% we know. If I say 1/3, is how much percent? You are converting number into percentage now. Correct? How we get all this? It is a half percent. Sorry, half, not half, but half. If you convert to percentage, what I am doing? If I have to convert into percentage, I am only doing this. If I have to convert into percentage, what I am doing? I am only doing this. If I have to convert into percentage, what I am doing? I am only doing this. Half means 50%. Quarter means 25%. If I say 3 by 4, how much percent it is? 3 by 4 is how much percent? 2 by 5 is how much percent? And guys, write percent number also. Don't just write number. Percentage also write. The way I am writing. Just don't say 35, 40. No. Yes, Abhijit. Okay. Tell me what is 2/3? 2/3 means how much percentage? And this should be on handy. Two-third, 1/3 we know. 2/3 into 2. What's big deal? Correct. If I say 1/5, 1/5 is how much percentage? 1 by 5, 20%. So what we are doing everywhere, if I have to convert a number, so number can be fraction, decimal or integer. If I have to convert into percentage, what I am doing? I am multiplying by 100, multiplying by 100, multiplying by 100. Everywhere I have to multiply by 100, everywhere. If a number I have to convert into percentage, what I am doing? Multiply by 100. For example, if I ask you, one simple question, that 5 means how much percentage? Five means how much percentage? No, Isha. No, Vijit. If we have to convert a number into percentage, what we do? We multiply by 100. 5 means 500%. Isha, unmute.
Yeah, yes, sir, I understood.
Clear? Good.
Yes, sir.
Understood, everybody? Percentage. If I say 2000 is how much percentage, everybody? It is nothing but multiply with 100. If I say 40 is how much percentage? Right. 40 means 40 and 2 zeros. 4000% means 40. When somebody said 2 means what? 2 means how much percentage? 200%. When somebody say, oh, I'm 2%, I'm doubly sure, I'm 200% right. 100% is 1. Correct? Agree? So, it's a very simple concept. If I say concept number 2 now, if a number reverse, if a number needs to be converted into percentage, just multiply by 100. In fact, this is nothing else we do. That is the only thing we do in percentage. Either divide by 100 or multiply by 100. Everything else is just the solution equation. Otherwise, everything is just these two numbers. Write down this, everybody. For example, if I say 40% of 2000, okay, 40% means 40 by 100, right? Percent means by 100. Of means multiply. 2000 as it is. Solve here. 0, 0 goes 42. That's it. Not 80. 40% of 2000 is this. So what we do generally, 40% means what? By 100. Of means multiply. 2000 means 2000. Solve it. Everybody knows 0 and 0 cancels. 40, 2800. Such a easy thing. Such a easy thing, right? Let everybody solve one more question before I start with the real problems. Tell me 20% of 2000. Fast. Too easy. 20% 2000, 20 by 100 into 2000. If I say 60% of 3000, what are you going to do? I'll tell you shortcut also. This is the normal way of doing. 60 by 100 into 3000. This is a normal way of doing. I'm going to tell you shortcut also. That's what it means, right? 20% of. Even if I say 10% of 10% of 10% of say 5000. What is the big deal? I'll tell you shortcut, first shortcut now. Whenever you have to find 10% of anything, remove 1 0. One more 10%, remove 1 0. One more 10%, remove 1 0. Fine. If you have to find 10% of any number, listen carefully. Shortcut now. Shortcut. If you have to find 10% of any number, remove 1 0. See, we want to find 20% of 2000, correct? Find 10%. So what is remaining now? 10% means 200. 20% means double of that into 2. 60% of 3000. Find 10%. 10% means 0 gone. What is remaining? 300. 60%. 10 times, 6 times more into 6. Nothing else. That's it. If you have to find 10%, remove a 0. And after that multiply. Suppose if I ask 30% of 30% of, if I say 200, first find 10% of 200, which is what? Remove the 0. 10% means 0 gone. 20. 30%, 3 times more. 3 times more. Some oral question, right? 10% means remove the 0. Only remaining is 20. So 30% means 3 times. So 3 times of 20 is 60. That's it. Okay. Let's do 1 or 2 questions before we move on to the golden concept. Very fast. Use 10% oral concept. Oral. Believe me, it will take you 5 seconds. Nothing more than that. If I say 40% off, 40% of 80, what you will do? First find 10%, remove the 0 and do into 4. Why so much time? That's it. Remove 0. 8. 8 into 4, 32. If I say 30% off 7,000, what it says? 30% of 7,000. Everything in mind. 10% means remove 1 0. That's it. Remove 1 0, 700 into 2, into 3. That's it. If I say, yeah, it's all oral maths. If I say 60% of 60, what you will say? Very good, Isha. Beauty. See, it should be so fast. 10% means 6 into 6. 10% means 6 into 6, 36. Too easy, too fast. Even if I say 5% of 300, 10% is 30. Make it half. Correct. If I say 5% of 800, 10% is 80, half. Correct. If I say 5% of 6,000, remove the 0, 600, half. Tell me, does it take more than 2 or 3 seconds? And we are going to use so much of this orally. So, percentage finding is too easy. Converting number into percentage is also too easy, right? Tell me which is bigger. Tell everybody which is bigger. 30% of 200 or 20% of 300. Very fast. Orally you should do. Duty, you are the first one to say equal. Explain quickly, orally.
Okay, so in 30, good morning, sir.
Yes.
So in 30% of 200, if we remove 2 zeros, so 30 into
Tell me.
so 30 into 2 will be 60. And over here again, if we remove 2 zeros from 300, it will be 20 into 3, which is 60.
Too easy orally. It will take hardly 5 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So everybody, concept number 1, concept number 2. That's it in percentage. And lastly, the golden rule. And what I want everybody is, please note down, because our 90% of problem, we are going to use golden rule. 90% golden rule. Everybody write out, we are going to use it. And this golden rule, we are going to use it everywhere. We are going to use it for percentage change, or percentage increase, or percentage decrease, or percentage error, or percentage profit, or percentage loss, or percentage anything. Everywhere we are going to use it. All this is given by only one concept. Listen very carefully. This is what you need everywhere. That is given by always, please, new value minus old value divided by, first you write down, we are going to use it, I'll tell you what. And when I say we are going to use it everywhere, it matters a lot. So anybody has confusion, we'll discuss. But first everybody write down into 100. No, why into 100? because we are converting into a percentage. So rule number 2 is right. And when you find any of these, it's a new value minus value by base value. Please please take a screenshot of this, everyone. Screenshot photo of this. We are going to start a lot of problems now. From now till next 90 minutes, we are going to solve at least 30, 40, 50 problems. It depends on you, how fast we do. Ready, everybody? GTG? No concepts are done. We have to just use the in problems. Is everyone ready to go for solving problems now? Many problems. New value minus old value by base value into 100. Only Isha is GTG. What about others? Writing it still? As soon as you are ready, just say ready, GTG. Each one of you, please. Good to go. Any doubt till now? Because I am going to ask you first question. Let's see how many will solve it. Any doubt? Percentage is to convert, divide by 100. Number can do percentage into 100. Golden rule, you have to find any of percentage change or anything. Difference of values by base. And this we'll discuss. Let's start now. First question, we'll do lot of questions. Half is how much percentage of 1 by 3? Let's see how many we can do that. Half is how much percent of 1 by 3? Fast. Very, very fast. Half is how much percentage of 1 by 3? I don't explain this, I know. So let's try it out and explain. And then we'll do a lot of questions. First, you try it out. Anybody, 5 people answer, I'll start this. I don't explain this, so it's okay if you get wrong. Half is how much percentage of 1/3? So may I say 150 question mark, Siddharth say 150, what others? Daman says 150. Nagi Reddy says 300. Half is how much percentage of 1 by 3? Half. Half out of 1 by 3 we got, right? We have to convert to percentage. Convert to percentage. That's it. Or if you solve it, 1 by 3, 3 goes top. 3 goes to the top, it becomes 3. 1 by 2, 2 goes down. You know the simple maths of fractions. Into. That's it. Half is how much percent of 1 by 3? Half. Suppose somebody asks you, you got 80 marks of 100. How much percentage? 80 by 100 into 100. Or somebody says you got 4 out of 5. 4 by 5 into 100, right? Whatever you got into 100. You got this much out of this much into 100. That's what we do always. Let's try one more. This time everybody will get it. If I say 2 minutes is how much percentage of, you get all this question exam. 2 minutes is how much percentage of say 5 hours. Two minutes is how much percentage of 5 hours? You will say 2 minutes first. Out of how much? Out of 5 hours. Percentage means into 100 always. Now obviously unit should be same, basic rule of maths, unit should be same. So 2. 5 hours means convert into minutes. Now we have both are in minutes and don't do into 100. Not a big deal. No, you can solve. 2/3% or 0.66%, whichever way you write. That's it. You are right, guys. Question is 2 minutes. 2 minutes out of 5 hours into 100. Basic concept. Right, everybody? Let's do an easy question on same concept. 20 grams. 20 grams is how much percentage of 4 kg? Same, everywhere same concept. I want to tell you that you can solve any of this question. It's all one concept. 20 gram is how much percentage of 4 kg? So what we're going to do, Isha?
Yeah, so yes, sir, as the unit will be same, should be same, so we'll convert first kg into grams. So 4 kg will be 4,000 grams. So
Correct.
20 upon 4,000 will get 1/2. Into 100, so we'll get 1/2.
That's it. So half percent. Very good. Thank you.
Yes.
That's it, guys. 20 gram is how much percent of 4 kilogram? 20 by 4,200. Obviously, unit has to be same. Same. Okay, last question on this before we move on. If I say 5 seconds is how much percentage of 2 minutes? Last question on this type. You're getting different answers. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 minutes. 2 minutes means 2 into 60, 120. Into 100. Concept is same. Or you can say 4/1/6%. Or you can say 4.166. Lalita, what is 4? You approximated it? Lalita? So it will be 25/6, na? Little more than 4, right, Lalita? So it is 4.16%, or all these three answers are okay, whichever way you write. Any doubt till now or crystal clear? Because now we are going to word problem. We've done little word problem, but are you clear with 3 things? 2 concept of percentage and 1 the golden rule. So we are going to use golden rule now. It's all okay, everybody? Now the real percentage where golden rule is used. If I say 400 is changed to 500. See, such an easy question, but you get this kind of questions a lot. And we are going to slowly increase our level. 400 is changed to 500. What is percentage change? I'll solve it. Percentage change is given by new value. New is 500 minus old value. Old value is 400 by base. Now, how you decide the base is the main question, everybody. Base is already decided by question. 400 is changed to 500. So what was the original value? 400, right? So base is 400. Base is most of the time original value or what you compare against. Because I think 400 is changed to 500. So 400 is the base, right? On that change happened. That's it. And percentage means always into 100. Into 100. 25%. Increase 400 becomes 500, increase. 25% increase. Golden rule. New value minus old value by base. Base is this because from 400 we move to 500. 400 is the base. That's it. Now tell me on the same way, if I ask the question reverse. $500 is changed to 400. What is percentage change? Everybody write very, very fast. It takes 5 seconds. Next question. How much it is? 25% decrease, 25% decrease, 20% decrease. Let's see. And Pandya, you should write, okay, minus is okay, but I always want you to write increase or decrease. Minus is good. No, people are saying 25% and 20%, two different answers, right? See guys, percentage change. We know 500 becomes 400, so decrease, New value is 400, old value is 500. Now problem is, what is the base? Tell me guys, base should be 400 or 500? Base is 500. Okay. Abhijit, why base is 500, Abhijit?
Base is always mostly the original value.
Correct, because base is mostly the original value. 500 was the original, so base is 500. So answer is 20% decrease, guys, not 25. Don't think this is 25, this is 25. No. Base is 400 here, base is 500 here.
So,
Yes, Mudit.
what about the 400 minus 500? How do you get 20%?
What is 400 minus 500? 100?
No, it's minus 100.
Minus 100. That's why decrease is coming, right?
Oh, okay.
100 by 500 into 100, 20%, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's see how many people can solve next question. A number by mistake is typed as 42 instead of 24. What is percentage error? Who can find it very easily? The number by mistake is typed as 42 instead of 24. What is percentage error? Write everybody the answer, please. Lalita, explain this, please. Very fast, Lalita. Percentage error is. Hello?
Sir, yes, sir. Am I audible?
You are audible.
Yes, sir. So basically, sir, it's 42, right? So we have to minus that with the original, which is 42 minus 24, 18.
And by base is what?
So the base is 24, sir.
Why 24? You are
So
right.
the
But
original
why?
one.
Original one, or in the error we always take the correct value as the base.
Yes, yes.
Original also fine, but we take always the correct value of the base, because you can't percentage error, it should always be changed against the right value, right?
Right, right.
And right value was 24. By mistake we wrote 42. You are right. So 18 by 24, 18 by 24 is 3 by 4, 75%. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you, Lalita. Everybody is okay? So easy. Percentage error. It's all about this. New minus old by base. So base decided by question or it's original most of the time. Clear? Now ready for the next level of question which will amaze you. We are going slowly, we are developing, and no next level of question will amaze you. Let's start. Suppose Mudit and Maitreya. Mudit and Maitreya, okay? Mudit and Maitreya are talking to each other. Mudit says, what should I say? Your weight is, again, I don't know who is, but I'm just writing, okay? So I don't know who is fatter, but it's okay. Your weight is 20% more than me. Maitreya says, okay. Maitreya says, okay. This means your weight is 20% lesser than me. Tell me, is it right or wrong? Tell me, Mudit, Maitreya, is it right or wrong? Both of you are, suppose Mudit is saying correctly. Is Maitreya answering right or wrong?
Right.
Yes, sir. It's right.
Right on chat. Kiran says wrong, Abhijit says wrong, Pratik says right both, wrong says, Mudit says right. Hiram says wrong, everybody right. Soumya says wrong, Isha says right. Keep writing, guys, whatever you feel, don't worry about it. Whatever thought comes right, that's it. Sajna Devi says wrong. Let's see, Soumya, unmute.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. No, you said wrong, correct?
Yes.
Explain. Suppose, say, we'll take an example, Soumya. Mudit says your weight is 20% more than me. So say Mudit weight is 100. Then what will be Maitreya's weight?
100 times 1.2.
Because 20% more, guys. What is 20% of 100? 100 plus 20% of 100 is this much, right? Agree, everybody? If Mudit's weight is 100 kilogram, then Maitreya weight is 120 kilogram. Everybody okay? No problem. Now, read the second statement. Soumya, this one.
Okay, that this means your weight is 20% lesser than me.
We'll find out how much is difference. Percentage less, how will count out? This difference between these two, right?
Yes.
Difference between two. 20. What is the base now?
100, I think.
No. Because who is saying? Maitreya saying this means your weight 20% lesser than me.
Okay, then 120.
Maitreya's weight is the base. Because it is comparing against Maitreya. And into 100?
Yes.
So it is 20 by 120, 1 by 6, 16.66% less. See, here it is 20% more, but here is 16.6%. So tell me, Soumya, why the difference is coming? Why it is not 20%?
Because the base is different now. So
good. Listen, guys, what you said, everybody. The whole concept of this is base is different. Thank you, Soumya. So base is different. Whole percentage. When we counted, listen very carefully. When we counted, I'll explain this more little. When we made this 120, what base we took? We took base as 100. So 100 plus 20% of 100. So 120. But when we counted this, we took base as 120. So why we took 120? Because it's not me decided. Lesser than me. Who is saying this? Maitreya is saying this. So Maitreya's weight is base. Here it said 20% more than me. Who is me here? Mudit is. So Mudit is the base. It's all about base. So when Maitreya says this, it is wrong. He should say it means my weight is 16.66% lesser than you. Clear, everybody? This is how percentage works. Base. Okay? Any question? No, I'll move to second part of this. Good, all good, everyone? Clear or doubt? All clear. Let's try another question. Isha, unmute. Suppose Isha and Rishabh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see guys, what we're going to solve this now. Okay, Mudit is saying my weight is not 100 kg. I know, Mudit. I just took an example. Isha and Rishabh are working in office, are working in a company. Okay? Okay, Isha? Rishabh, unmute both of you.
Yes, sir.
So, Isha is manager of Rishabh. Okay? For example. You can mute for a moment. I'll ask both of you to unmute. So, say Isha is manager of Rishabh. For a moment, you assume. Now, Isha was very happy with Rishabh's work. Isha was very happy with Rishabh's work. Isha calls Rishabh and say, from today, your salary is increased by 20%. Wow, Rishabh happy. After a few months, Isha was unhappy. Maybe some work, something, I don't know why. Isha can tell you why, but Isha was unhappy. Isha again called. Isha called Rishabh again and says, from today, your salary is decreased by 20%. So we don't know how much salary was original. Whatever salary, initially she called your salary increased by 20%, but after a few months she again call and say 20% reduced. Find overall Rishabh gained in salary or lost or no change from original. Tell me, everybody. So whatever his original salary was there starting, Rishabh gained it, Rishabh is increased it or decreased it or no change. Isha, you also tell me.
Yeah, yes, sir. There will be no change. If his salary was X before, so plus 20% minus 20%.
It
So
will be
it
X
is here
only.
X. Yes,
So
sir.
Isha said Isha has not done anything wrong. Isha has not done anything, neither gain, neither. Okay. Abhi say gain. Everybody write out. Pandya
No,
says
sir.
gain.
Sorry, sir. When we increase
Calculate,
20%,
no
yes,
problem.
sir.
You come back
If
after
there
5
is
minutes.
some change, then the base will change. So there will be some change in the salary.
Find out whatever it is. If it is change, how much change? If no change, say no change. Whatever. So Isha, take your time, 2 minutes, and then tell me. Nagi Reddy says decreased, Pandya says increased, but only 3 answers, guys. See, some salary was there, is increased by 20%, then decreased by 20%. Overall, what Isha has done to Rishabh. Kiran Kumar said decrease. And if guys, if you find increase, decrease, then find percentage. If no change, just say no change. Whoever is saying gained and decreased, I want percentage also then. Just increase, decrease will not help. And Paritosh, when you say 4%, I want, see guys, write full answer. Increase by this percent, decrease by this percent, no change. Okay?
So I don't understand.
I'll explain, na. I not explained yet, right?
Okay.
I'll explain stepwise. First, let everybody solve it. Many people are saying decrease. Some people said no change. Some people said increase. Let's see. Isha, finally you have to say. You have decided all this, right? Are you ready, Isha?
Yes, sir, maybe. So
Maybe.
what I did is, sir.
So what we'll do is, no, we'll not do X and all, Isha. We'll make it more simple. Okay. So what we'll do, Isha, is we'll say original salary is 100. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, 20% increase happened, right? So how much salary will become now? Isha? 100 was the original salary, suppose, for Isha.
Yes, sir.
So what will be new salary? 20% increase.
120.
120. Understood, everybody? Because why 120, Isha? I know it's easier to still explain to everybody.
Because 20% of 100 will be 20, so 100 plus 20 will be 120.
Got it, guys? So don't ask me later how 120 came. Okay. Now, what Isha did after a few months is 20% decrease. So tell me now, it was 120. What is 20% of 120? Everybody knows my method. 10% is remove 0. So 12. 20% is 24. Right, Isha?
Yes, sir.
So new salary becomes now 96, right, Isha?
Yes, sir.
I'm talking to you. So 96% is the new salary. Original salary was
100.
final new salary is 96.
96.
So now it is decrease or finally increase or decrease overall?
Decreased. 4%
Decrease.
decrease.
That's it. Because how 4%? Let's explain. 96 was there. Original was 100. And base would be original, right?
96. Yes, sir.
Base will be the original 100. Original was 100, right?
Yeah, yes,
Though
sir.
it is oral, but method is important so that everybody understands it's as per concept. It's nothing new. So final effect is 4% decrease. What, Isha, you have done 4% decrease. And he was thinking that you increase the salary. See? Understood, everybody? Thank you, Isha.
Thank you, sir.
Everybody got it? It is 4% decrease. Isha, why it become decrease? Any idea? Rishabh will speak now. Rishabh, why it is decrease? Not ideally should be no change, right? 10 25 degree, 25 degrees. What's the big deal? Then why difference is coming, Rishabh? Unmute. Quickly, very fast. Why decrease is coming? Why there is no change coming? Where is the problem? Any idea?
Because she changes, my money decreases, so there will be 96 minus.
Why decreases? What is the main reason? Who will explain me? Sajna Devi, why it is decrease? Why it is not coming as same? Guys, I want you all to appreciate this point because this is what the whole person is about. Sajna Devi, why it's coming decrease, not same? Who want to explain? Any one of you quickly unmute and tell me. Any one of you quickly tell your name and explain.
Yeah, yes, sir. I can try.
Yes,
So,
Isha, please.
Originally, when we increased the salary 20%, then our base, after adding that 20%, our base was changed to 120. So,
Base was 100 originally, right?
yes, sir.
And
But
here base
during the
was.
second calculation, our base changed to 120.
That's the point, guys. One word.
Yes, sir.
Base. Thank you, Isha. See, that's what it is. It's all about base, guys. See, such a simple answer. Why nobody was talking? I asked 3 or 4 times. Base was a different. When you see initially 20% increase, 20% of 100. Base was 100 originally, right? 20% 100 is 20. So 100. But second time when you're decreasing, your salary become 120 now. So base becomes 120. See? It's all about this. This is the main word in percentage. In percentage, this is the only thing which works. Are you clear now, everybody? Clear or doubt now? 100 was there, 20% increase, 120. 20% decrease, 96. 20. Base is important. Let's do one question, everybody now. I'll reverse the question now. Mute everybody, please. Mute, Nagi Reddy. So much noise. Okay. So, if I say, if a number is first decreased by 20% and then this time we'll do ulta and then increased by 20%. What is net percentage change? Is it same, 0 or different? What is net percentage change? Means will it remain same, increase or decrease? Very fast, everybody solve and tell me quickly. If it is same also, tell me same. A number, any number you take it. A number is first decreased and then increased. Paritosh, decreased. How much decreased, Paritosh? Daman, 4% decrease. Daman will explain. Daman always answering fast. Daman, quickly explain to everybody.
सर बिकॉज पहले फर्स्ट डिक्रीज होगा 20%. अगर हम ओरिजिनल लेंगे
ओरिजिनल नंबर लेंगे 100
तो उसमें से 20% डिक्रीज करेंगे, -20 तो 80 हो जाएगा. 80 हो जाएगा तो उसका 20 फिर उसके बाद 20% इंक्रीज करेंगे तो 96 हो जाएगा.
करेंगे तो बता लोगों को, क्योंकि लोग पूछते हैं सर 20% इंक्रीज कैसे हो गया. 20% इंक्रीज मतलब क्या होता है? 16. 20% ऑफ 80 is 16. नंबर बन गया 96. तो पहले 100
तो 100 से 4% डिक्रीज हुआ.
That's it. It's too easy, right, everybody? Thank you, Daman. So fast, so easy. Original number was 100, 20% decrease, so number becomes 80. 20% increase, number become 80 plus 16, 96. So 100 से 96 हुआ, फिर से 4% decrease. That's it. Thank you. Anybody any question on this? Tell me anybody any question, because we are going to go ahead with speed maths now. Are you clear about increase decrease? Only matter is base. Only matter is base. And if you want one more practice, just change this quotient to 30%. Let's try. So that at least you get some practice. Just last, before we move on. I change to 30%. Then what? A number was decreased by 30%, then increased by 30%. What is net percentage change? Everybody should solve. Who is not able to solve? Who is not able to solve? Abhijit able to solve, Daman able to solve, Dyuti you are able to solve, Isha able to solve, then Kiran Kumar, where are you? Here I am seeing Lalita answer, I am seeing M2, I am seeing Mani Pritam, where are you? Are you solving questions? I want everyone to solve. Nagred is solving, Pandya is solving, Paritosh is solving, Ritesh, where are you? Siddharth, you are solving good. Everyone should solve this. Hiram Patil, will you explain this? How should we solve this? Very quickly.
Yes, sir. The original number we consider 100.
Correct.
So decreased by 30, it will be 70.
So wait. So guys, 30% decrease. It's oral, but still I should write. 30% decrease means 100 minus 30. So 70 become. You are right.
Yes, and increased by 30 means 70% of 30, which would be 21.
30% increase, 30% of 70 is 21. So 21, so number becomes 70 plus 21, which is 91. So percentage decrease because original was 100.
Yes.
9%. Take 5 seconds, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Is everyone okay? We'll move on because we're still halfway. We can do many more questions now based on the solid concept we got it. What matters is base. Every question, what matters is base. Now I'm going to do you next 5 or 10 minutes. We are going to do speed maths. If any question ask me, because we are going to use in every class from now on. If you have doubt, ask me right away, because if you don't understand this, then your future topics will be difficult for you. Speed maths of percentage. Suppose, say guys, you assume one thing. Suppose one number is there. You know what? Just assume a number is 1. It will be so easy for whole math becomes so easy. Say number is 1 always. Okay? Now tell me, what is 10% of 1? Write on chat, everybody quickly. What is 10% of 1? Point 1, right? Everybody is clear? They know that, right? What is 20% of 1? 20%, not 0.05. You know, right? 10% 0.1, 20% 0.2. If I ask 30%, 0.3. This is very easy. Everybody knows this, right? Now, my objective is not that. My objective is, 10% of 1 is 0.1. If I say my number is increased by 10%, a number is increased by 10%, original number was 1. Original number was 1 and increased by this. So how my number becomes now? Right? Everybody knows that. Number was 1, 10% increase means 0.1 is added. 1.1 is by. So instead of writing so much, I can directly say, if a number is increased by 10%, it becomes. If number is increased by 20%, how much will become? And everybody should write 20% increase. 20% means 0.2. So 1 plus 0.2. If I say 40% increase, then what? Good. If I say 70% increase, tell me guys, believe me, I am preparing you for something very, very important, which you will be very happy. You will say, sir, something we learned percentage, which is going to make your math too fast. 75 increase means 1.7. If I say 25% increase, means what? Tell me, 25 increase. Yes. Everyone is okay on this, right? 25% increase, 1.25. If I say 58% increase, means what? Tell me, it is 1 second job, right? Ritesh, doubt, ask me. Correct? If I say 72% increase, means what? Everybody is okay with this, right? Percentage increase 10, 20, 30, 40, everybody can write it. Now, let's do same thing for decrease now. Number is 1 only, guys. Number is 1 only, so nothing to worry. If I say 10% decrease, see number was 1, 10% decrease, 1 minus 0.1, 0.9. Good. 20% decrease. 40% decrease. If I say 70% decrease, good. If I say 25% decrease, it's all in mind, you know. Once you get the understanding, it's too easy. But if I say 32% decrease, decrease, guys, subtraction you are doing mistake, lot of mistake. Right. So now everybody ready for the challenge? Now I'm going to ask you 10 questions. This time I want all 10 correct. I can ask anything, increase or decrease, okay? Put it right only once, please. So I can ask anything. You have to be careful. I want all 10 correct. And then we start word problem. 33% increase. Tell me. Number is 1 always, so nothing to worry. Fast. Tell me. Zero 0.56. Guys, subtraction. What happened to you? Subtraction. Good. And guys, be careful. Plus or because I don't want you to do mistake. 80% decrease. Superb. So everybody okay on this now? Is everyone okay on this? Shall we do some problems now? Let's start some questions now. And believe me, you all will solve. I'm going to tell you some important question for exam, which people take 2 minutes, you will take 10 seconds. And you get this kind of question in every exam. Every exam. I am going to tell you one question and then you will solve. First, I will solve one question and then you will solve remaining. Okay, everybody is ready, CC? We are going to do, I'll solve one question and then you will solve remaining question. So don't write answer on this, just focus, because I don't want you to focus on answer. Focus on what I'm doing. This question, this kind of question people take 1 minute, 2 minutes, and we are going to solve 10 seconds. You get this kind of question in exam a lot. See the question. Length and breadth of rectangle is increased by this. What is percentage change its area? See, I'll give in the answer in so fast. Increase by 10%, decrease by 12% decrease. It takes 5 seconds to solve. 5 seconds to solve this kind of question. You get an exam. I'll explain you how. 12% decrease. How? See, area is given by what? Length into breadth, everybody knows. Right? Everybody knows length is area equal to length into breadth. Say length is 1. If you want to make maths easy, make it very small number. So what is the area now? Area is 1. Original area is 1, correct? Now, new area. Now tell me, everybody will ask you, when you say increase by 10%, 10% increase means what? We learned lot now. What is 10% increase means? 1.1, good. Into breadth is decreased by 20%. What is 20% decrease means? 0.8, so good. Everybody know 11 into 8. 11 8 is 88. 2 decibels, so 0.88. Tell me, original area was 1. New area is 0.88. Increase or decrease? Original was 1. Now it become 0.8. Decrease. How much is less? 1 minus 0.88. 0.12 into 100. 0.12 into 100. Percent means into 100, right? 12% decrease. This whole question you can do orally. You will say 0.1, this 0.88 lesser than 12%. 5-second job. Clear? I'll explain again so that any doubt. Say length is 1, breadth is 1. So area is 1 into 1. 10% increase, 10% increase. 20% decrease, 20% decrease. Multiply 0.88 and 1. Compare this and this. Decrease. How much decrease? This minus this, 12. That's it. Okay? Now I'll give you 5 questions. You all will solve with me. Let's see what happens now. If I say length of a rectangle plot is increased by 20% each. Tell me now. Siddharth, and this 40% increase, 20% decrease, 1.4 into 0.8, right? Siddharth, your question will do. I told you, right? This question is very, very popular. We'll do, Siddharth, your question next. Everybody write answer for this now. Both increase by 20%. Guys, you're doing mistake. Check. New area is 20% increase means what? 1.2. Breadth also increase by 20% means how much becomes? 1.44. So percentage increase. How much it is more than 1? How much more it is? Listen, how much more it is than 1? 44 more. 44%. No 144, no nothing. 44% increase, that's it. Siddharth, you are right. All others are doing mistake. Why? Original was 1, right? Extra is how much? This is extra, na? Difference. Remember golden concept? New minus old. Difference of the value 1.44 minus 1, 0.44 by 1 into 100. Pandya, not 144%. I am asking how much increased. 44% increased. You have to find the increase. Remember the golden formula, everybody? New minus old. 1.44 minus 1. How much you get? 0.44. Percent में into 100. What is 0.44 into 100? 44. Let's try one more. Siddharth, you gave something, right? What you gave? 40% increase, 20% decrease. Okay. Increase by 40% and decrease by 20%. Try this. Siddharth's question. Increase by 40, decrease by 20%. So, are you getting it? I'm not seeing your answer. Sajna Devi, your answer. I want everyone to solve. Siddharth, unmute. So, new area would be. Tell me everybody what is 40% increase means. Right? What is 20% decrease means? Right? 14 into 8. How much? 112 I think. So 1.12. Correct Siddharth. 1.12. So increase or decrease guys? Increase. 12 extra. So 12% increase. That's it. Tell me guys, how much time is going to take? Jyoti, this kind of problem, how many seconds you will take?
5 to 10 seconds.
That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. It takes, that's it. Thank you. Paritosh, yes, 5 seconds. So now let's solve 3-4 more questions. If I say 20% increase and 10% decrease, then what will you answer? Everybody this time should get it. And no doubt, if a doubt is there, ask me please. If doubt is there, ask me please. Everybody try it out. I'll wait for 30 seconds. Who will solve this? Nagi Reddy. See, we need percentage increase, guys. Nagi Reddy, how shall we solve this? New area would be. Unmuted, tell me. Increase by 10% means what? Decrease by 10%. 0.99 means 1% decrease. That's it. Thank you. Looks like audio problem. It is not 0.01%, Sajna Devi. No. 1 minus 0.99 is 0.01 into 100, right? 0.01%. No. It is 1%. Clear, everybody? It is 1% decrease. Because we subtract this from 1.01. 0.01 into 100. Right? Into 100 always you have to do. And if I make this, say 20% increase and decrease also 20%, then what you will do? I want this time everyone should get exactly right. Everyone. Ask me please otherwise. Everyone should please. Okay. Mudit says 4% decrease. Parito says decrease 4%. Soumya says 4 decrease. Taban says 4% decrease. Good, good, good. Everybody keep writing. So 20% increase into 20% decrease. 12 8 is 96. So 1 minus 0.96 is 0.04. Obviously percentage means 100. 4% decrease. That's it. You are right, everybody. Last question of the same type. If I change both as decrease, I change both. Be careful. People do mistake in this. Very easy question. Try this one. Both length and breadth decrease by 20%. Soumya says 36% decrease. Pandya says 36 by decrease. Okay. Paritosh says 36% decrease. Okay. Daman. Okay. Everyone, please. Each and everyone. Isha says 30. Tell me, guys, it is easy method. 5-second job. What you believe, everybody? 5 seconds, 10 seconds, you can solve this question, this kind of question very easily or not? .36% decrease is correct. Superb. No, even if I ask you this kind of question now, you all will solve orally. Believe me, you all will solve orally. Wait. Tell me. You all will solve orally now with this method. Just use 1. Then 1. 30% increase. 20% decrease. Same concept. 37 and 104. Tell me, increase or decrease now? Overall. Increase. 4% increase, that's it. Correct, everybody? Say original salary is 1, increased by 30%, 1.3, decreased by 20%, 0.8, 1.04. It is more than 1, so 4% increase. And if I reverse the question, if I make this as decrease and this as increase, last question guys on this. Tell me what should be this then? I am telling you something superpower you can use everywhere to solve this. Ravi Kumar, unmute. Pandya Ravi Kumar. Pandya Ravi Kumar, your audio works?
Can I explain?
Yes. 30% decrease means what?
0.7.
0.7.
Multiply by 1.2.
1.2 because 20% increase. 12 7 is 84.
0.84.
So decrease or increase?
Decrease.
Decrease. 16%. How you got 16?
1
minus
minus 0.84 multiply by 100.
Superb. See guys, tell me Pandya, 5-second job?
Yes.
Superb. Thank you. And you guys get this kind of questions a lot in exam. Okay? Everybody's okay, right? GTG will move on different type questions more. I told you we'll do a lot of questions today, right? Either ask me doubt or say GTG. Try this. Let's see who can solve this question very fast. Who can solve this question in 15 seconds? It ideally takes 10 seconds. I am giving you 5 seconds more. Let's see who solves it. Good to go. This whole type, see, percentage has only one concept, two concepts, I told you, that's it. And one golden rule. Tell me very fast. Somebody saying 80, somebody saying 20%, 80. See, two numbers are actually 20%, 50% more than a third. Say third number is 1. Let me write first number. Let me write second number. Let me third number. Say third number is 1. What would be the first number then? First number is 20% more. First number is 20% more. Means 1.2. Second number is 50% more. So 1.5, right? Question is second number. First number is how much percent of second? First number. Second number of percentage. That's it. %80 is right. Or even if you don't want to do this, you do this. Say third number is 100. First number is 20% more, 120. Second number is 50% more, 150. Your choice. It's totally your choice. Which one is easy for you? Does not matter. Concept remains same. 80%. And if I change this question now, listen very carefully. I am changing one word. More becomes less. Try now. Two numbers 25-50% less than third. %, 50% less than a third. Nagi Reddy say 160%, Daman say 160, Isha say 160, okay. Siddharth say 160%, good. Keep writing, guys. Whichever way do, say third number is 100. First number is 20% less. 20% less means 80. 50% less, 50. So first number is 80. Second number is 50. That's it, you are right. 160%. It's not about more or less, it's about 160% of second. Clear, right? And if I modify this question again, listen very carefully. Now I am changing these three words into one word, of third. Then what? This is how we learn maths. Slightly modifying question, and you can all make a concept super solid. Isha, explain this quickly.
Yeah, yes, sir. So instead of 1, I took the third number as 100. So 20% of 100 will be 20. So the 80 will be changed to 20.
Correct.
And the 50 will stay because 50% of 100 will also be 50.
Correct.
So 20 upon 50 into 100 will result in 40%.
Super. That's it, it is, guys. 20 by 50, 45. Too easy or not, Isha?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Everybody is okay on this? Because why I'm asking this, are you sure? Are you clear till now? Because now I'm going to ask you, are you RFC? Means, are you ready for challenge? My most favorite question, most favorite type. Let's see how many. It requires real concept. I'll repeat, two concept, one golden rule. Concept number one, you have to convert percentage into number by 100. Second concept, you have to convert number into percentage into 100. Concept number three, golden formula. Percentage change or anything is always new minus old by base into 100. Nothing else. Tell me anybody any doubt or everybody ready for challenge? Then say RFC because I'm going to ask you very easy but very tricky question. Tell me any doubt, otherwise say RFC. And I really want to see who solves this. Believe me, it is not as easy as it looks. Is everyone RFC? I can see only few people. What are others? Not ready or what? I'll give you 1 minute time. Take your time. Write your answers on chat. You have to write how much percentage more, how much percentage less. You have to write the word more or less also. Let's see. Solve this, guys. a positive number by mistake multiplied by 5 instead of being divided by 5, by what percent more or less than the correct answer is the result obtained? You have to find out percentage more or percentage less and how much. If it is 0, just say 0, whichever way you feel. Three percent more, 4% more, 4 ... more, 24% less. Okay, 2400% less. Okay, interesting. I know we'll get 10 different answers. 4% increase, Mudit. Okay, keep writing, everybody. 4% increase, 24% increase, 400% more. Okay, keep writing, everyone. Sajna Devi, Soumya, Ritesh, your answers. Abhijit, 4% increase. Pandya, 24% less. Let's see. I don't know. I don't remember. I'll solve it. Keep trying, everyone. 4% more. 4% more. Jyoti says, okay. Sumi, what's your answer? Sajna Devi. Soumya, what something else? Whatever you're getting, write it. Lalita, yours. Someone say 4% more is right. Okay. 24,000 more. Nagi Reddy say 24,000 percentage. Mano say 4% increase. Sajna say 900% increase. Okay. Shall I explain? Okay. Soumya say 24. Soumya, what? Increase or decrease? Lalita say 4% increase. So I'll solve it now, guys. Okay, I'll solve with Soumya. Soumya, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Let's say some will assume that suppose say original number is, since you divide by 5, we'll assume some number which is divisible by 5, either 5 or 10 or 15 or 20. What do you want?
I took 10.
So guys, we are taking original number as 10, suppose. Say original number is 10. Okay, everybody. So Sophia will do step by step for everybody. Okay, because you know this question people give 10 different answers, right? So it requires clear. So say original number is 10. Read the first line now.
By mistake multiplied by 5, matlab, it's
my number is multiplied with 5 and that is by
5.
mistake, correct?
Yes. So
this is my wrong answer, right?
yes.
Correct. Then
instead
of being divided by.
Yes.
So ideally I should have divided my number with 5. So 2 should have been my correct result, right?
Yes.
Correct result. The question is asking for
the like how much it should more or less is the result from the original?
One second. Mudit, what is happening this? Don't try anything else, please. So we got correct answer as 2 and wrong answer is 50. The question says by what percent more or less than a correct answer. So it's a percentage error, right? So our answer is more than the correct answer or lesser than? See, our answer is the top one. This is our answer, right? So our answer is more than the correct one, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct answer is 2.
Yes.
Our answer is 50.
More.
So percentage more. Now, no, answer we'll find out, but this is for everybody. So obviously what we say, new value minus old value, 50 what we got and 2 should have been got, right?
Yes.
Now main confusion everybody has, what is the base? Is the base 2, is the base 50, is the base 5, is the base 10? What should be the base?
I think the number which we wanted. So
right, because question clearly says, see everybody, question clearly says then the correct answer. This is the keyword always. Means we have to compare again the correct answer. This one, right? And then into 100. Right, Soumya?
yes, sir.
So 50 minus 2, 48, 48 by 2 to 24. So answer is 2400 percentage more. That's it. Thank you.
Oh, okay. So I think I forgot to multiply by 100.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So can you summarize again, Soumya? Because I want everyone, because lot of confusion. So can you summarize these steps again clearly to all of them? Soumya?
Should I explain or what?
Yes.
Okay, so we had we took any number which was divisible by 5, so we took 10. Then we have to see what answer we want or what is given. So we have to multiply by 5 and then divide by 5, and then we have to see, okay, which answer we wanted. So we can say, okay, the base is the 2.
Correct result, yes.
Yes, and now we just have to find out the change. So we take 50 minus 2 minus the answer which is
numerator. See what he said. Yeah. Numerator. See what Soumya said is numerator is always about change. How much difference? Doesn't matter which value what. It always takes the difference of two value. Always, right?
Yes.
So numerator is always a difference. Yes. Continue.
Yes, and then we just apply the golden formula.
That's it. Thank you. Is anyone still have a doubt, guys? Please ask me. Is anyone still have a doubt? You want to solve one more question like this? Exactly similar question? For practice only? Or you will do it later? Your choice. Fast. Tell me fast. Or you do in homework this kind of question. Okay? I'll move on. We have 15 minutes. We'll do few more type question. Let's see who solve this kind of question. See, all these questions I'm telling you now are super important in exam. Super important. Let's try this, everybody. These are tricky, but very easy. Tricky means just to read it is tricky. Try this. If x is 4 times as large as y, then percent by which y less than x is. How much percentage less? Tell me answers, please, guys. Okay. Okay. Fast. After 30 seconds or 15 seconds, I'll start. X is 4 times as large as Y. By what percent Y is less than X? I'll solve now. Say Y is 100. Tell me guys, if Y is 100, how much will be X? I'm solving it step by step for you. 400. Correct, Duty. So Y is 100, then X is 400. It said by what percent Y is less than X. So to find out by what percentage less. As Soumya said, and I told in my golden formula, numerator is always the difference of two values, always. So difference of 400 100 is 400 minus 100 300. Numerator will always be this. Now base, you don't decide, I don't decide, base, question decides. And the key word is this. Then X, we are comparing against X. So X is the base, as simple as that. So base is 400 into 100. 75% more, 75% less. That's it. Too easy, right? It's just if X is 4 times as large as Y, by what percent Y is less than X? Assume any value of Y and then solve it. And I told you, Daman, did you listen what I said? I don't decide, quotient decide. This is the keyword. Less than X. Quotient say you have to compare than X. Base should be X, right? This is the keyword for every quotient. There are only two ways of finding base. Either we always take the original or the quotient decides. Quotient say by what percent, by which Y is less than X. That's why, because it said then X. That's why I put it right, okay? Now, if I change the question, let's see, you can solve it, guys, still. If I say X is 5 times as small as Y, then what will answer? Tell me, everybody. Less or more, okay? It all depends on, I don't know. If X is 5 times as small as Y, 5 times small, X is 5 times small. Duty, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
So X will be 500.
No, X is 5 times as small, so X will be 20.
Oh.
Correct, small, X is smaller. So X is 20, Y is 100.
Yeah.
Now, percentage less or percentage more, it is
80 by.
Tell me first, Y is more or less than X?
More.
Percentage more. So numerator will be the difference of two value?
80.
80. Now what's with the base again?
100.
No. Array, see the question. Who decide the base?
20.
Percentage less or more than the X. X is the base, right? Always?
Yeah.
So always question says. So 80 by 20 into
100.
कितना आएगा? 4.
Yeah. No, I took the numbers wrong.
That is no problem at all. Concept is clear, I know, right? That's it. 400% more. Tell me, guys, anybody any doubt? 400% more. Right, Abhijit, Paritosh, Daman? Ask me anybody any doubt. X, see, it's all about reading the question clearly. I'll explain. X is 5 times small as Y. So Y is 100, then X would be 20. Y is 5, X would be 1. You can also solve with 5 and 1 also. Suppose you take as 5. The next would be 1. Difference between these two is 4. Base is 1. Answer is still same. Doesn't matter. You choose whichever way you feel comfortable. But reading the question is important. 400% more, right? Move on, because we want to solve a couple of more questions. What about this? Very easy question. You get this kind of question also in exam. And everything, percentage is the most easy topic in my opinion. I know people struggle, but in my opinion, percentage is nothing. In fact, there is nothing in percentage. It's just by 100 and 200. We have to solve the word problems. Anuj has to get 40% marks to clear assessment test. He got 50 marks but failed by 10 marks. Find max marks of the test. Manoj, Mani Pritam, Kiran Kumar, how should we solve this? Nagi Reddy says 150. Okay. So it's like this. Passing marks. Anu has to get 40% marks to clear exam. 40% is the passing marks, right? He got 50 marks, but failed by 10 marks. Means what? If he would have got 10 marks more, he would have passed, right? This is passing marks, right? If he would have got 10 more, he would have passed. So means 60 is the passing marks. 40% are the passing marks. Total we don't know. So we can say 40% of total is 60. That's the question says, right? 40% of total is passing marks, 60. 40% means 40 by 100 of, let me put it properly, 40% of total equal to 60. You solve your way, you'll get, finally when you solve, you get total as how much? That's it, too easy, right? Too easy. Clear how the percentage, guys? This is what percentage about. Any question ask me, percentage, it's all about finding percentage or converting into percentage or the golden rule of percentage change. It can be increase, decrease, profit, loss. Even in profit loss, we are going to use percentage a lot. You'll get a lot of practice there. And the speed maths. Clear everybody on percentage? Good confidence now? Concepts are clear? You need practice. Ask me any doubt anyone has.
So my doubt is not related to percentage. What all I wanted to ask was that when will we learn division?
Division you will not learn in this. This is not a division class. No. This is a competitive exam class.
Yeah, so in what class will we learn division?
Division there is no specific code only for division.
Okay.
No. Anybody, any question of percentage? So I'll close the session with last question. Let's see how many you can solve this. 20% of 20% of 20% of 20% of 80,000. Tell me, guys. Siddharth, amazing. You would like to explain Siddharth to everyone? Siddharth, you would like to explain to everyone? You are right. No? Siddharth, your audio works or not? Yes, Siddharth, audio because it's very easy. So, who want to explain this? It's same what Siddharth is saying. For 10% we remove 0. How many times you remove 0? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So 10% we got is 8. So 20% double of 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Wow, that's the point. 10-second maximum. Good. So all clear, everybody? Now we are closing the session today. Ask me the doubt. Next time we are going to do profit, loss, discount. So your percentage should be very strong there, okay? We are going to do whole profit, loss, discount, half price, selling price, cost price, successive discount, all this together in 2 hours. That is more than enough. Percentage is a very important topic, as I told you. We have to make in next 2-3 classes all solid. Percentage, profit loss, ratio, proportion, all this. So that your arithmetic become super well. Okay? No questions? Thank you then. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you and bye bye. See you next Sunday.